Okay, so to uninstall the app, just long press on it, and then after a second, you will get a pop-up that will have different things depending on your operating system. In my case, it does not have the uninstall option. In your case, it might have. So in your case, it might look like, oh my God, it crashed. It might look like this if you have an iPhone, or if you have a Samsung, it's gonna look like this. So just tap on uninstall. If you don't see any of these options, so if you have an iPhone but you don't see this option, just go to settings and then go to general, iPhone storage, and then find the game in the list, tap on it, and then press the delete button, and that's it. Now if you have an Android and again you don't see any options in the pop-up, in my case I have to drag it to the top of the screen and I can see the uninstall button. Now, if you don't even see that option, just go to settings. So drag from the top of the screen, then go to settings, and then go to apps, find the game, and then tap on uninstall and confirm. And yeah, that's it.